Hi friends. I hope this day was a profitable day. Market was very rainbowish in the first half of the day, and then we could see a big drop, and then reversal on the upside. So a lot of opportunities. I'm sure we had, if at all people took those opportunities. Uh, we had shared, I think. Let me check. So we had 41 400 C, which was above 445, and 41 700. This is of 7th Feb, yes. So these were the buy levels which were shared, and almost both of them got triggered and gave us some profit. However, well, let's look at we also had TCS uh, where we were expecting, I think this was the call 3460, which made a high of 72, and our stop loss thankfully did not trigger. Paul was there in a regard, this gave a slight profitable move, and the rest of the stocks did not give any entry levels. So for tomorrow we have ABRFL, we have Naukri, we have Bata India, Rain, Balkrishna Industries. Balkrishna Industries, IGL, and Tata Consumer I'm looking to short. Whereas Bata India, Naukri, and ABFRL, I'm hoping that we could have some kind of a upside rally. So let's look at what can be expected in Bank Nifty tomorrow. For that, we will look into the option chain data. If you see, the PCR is slightly on the oversold side, and there is huge call writers sitting at 41,500. And if you see the next level also, there is huge writers on the call side. Uh, and if we see the reaction today also, we had the market unable to move towards 41. I mean, I could say that now Bank Nifty went almost high of 41,600. It did not sustain and moved above 41,800 levels, which could have happened also because of the writers sitting at 41,500. So tomorrow, if market Bank Nifty opens gap up above 41,700 or even 750, then we could easily see 42,000 levels coming, or 42 160 also coming tomorrow. On the downside, if I look at the structure or the pattern which is created over here, looks typically for a short. There could also, we could possibly uh, also see that if market can move up like this or open gap up like this and then hit back towards 41,200 also. So I'm not, though I'm slightly biased of hoping to see on a upside. I also can see there could be shorts coming in, which could pull the market down towards 41,000 also. And if 40,900 or 40 is sustained, then we could see price moving almost towards. Let me remove this 40,800 also. So though I sound a bit slightly expectations of a bullish view, uh, typically anything can happen tomorrow. Uh, yes, we do have uh, some positions, but of course with a hedge on the long side. Let me share the Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. Uh, we could possibly take, so this will be for 8th of Feb, which is the RBI policy. So if 41,000, mm, just one moment, I'm so sorry. And meanwhile, if you have any queries, please do feel free to ask. I would be happy to share or answer your queries. I'm looking at, we could even take 41,300. We could look at, one moment. Let's look at different strike price today. 41,300 call currently, which is at 407. If this opens above 410, 450, 455, 60, then we could easily see targets of 540, 600 coming. And 41, 800. If 41, 800 moves above 512, 525, then we could possibly see uh, 660 to 720 levels also. So these are the levels for tomorrow when it comes to Bank Nifty. Uh, ABFRL, uh, let's look at ABFRL 250 CE or call. I think I would look at 240. Very high beta or high volume stock. Uh, Looking at the structure, I would typically not look into trading in options. Whereas on Naukri, yes, I would definitely uh, look for 3680 or maybe 3650. If 3650 call CE moves above 160 or 170, then we could look at target of 220 with a stop loss of 140, 152 or 154. And Bata India, I would not look into F&O, but yes, I would love to buy this stock once this can sustain above 1538 levels. First target I could look at 1579 and 1620 also. Rain, as I mentioned, I'm looking to short. If this, there are two possibilities. It can, now I'm looking to short, it can also possibly retest and move up. However, if it moves below this level, then I think we can look at targets of 16 165 to 164 also. Balkrishna Industries, as I mentioned, I'm looking to short again in this. My level of short would be below 2260. Let me probably look to give Balkrishna 2270 put. We could probably look at, or I think Balkrishna is not there in Nifendo. Okay, so once this moves below 2260, then we could look at levels of 2230 or 22 uh, also. So typically, one may not look at adding or entering this uh, price, and then I'm looking at IGL. IGL Dow is slightly showing signs of up move, but if it does not sustain this level, then we can again look to short this for a target of 418. And IGL 410 put, if this can sustain about 410 put, IGL 410 put, if this sustains above 6.2, then we could look at targets of 7.4 to 8.2, and stop loss here would be 5.5. Tata Consumer also I'm looking for a short uh, based on the structure of the charts and the way it has been going down. So Tata Consumer, if you ask my opinion on option, I would look at 730 put. If 730 put moves above 13 or 12.8 also, I could look at targets of 18 to 20 with a stop loss of 9.5. So request that don't get biased with the market, just trade as per your levels. The other thing I can also observe is if this trend line is broken, then we could see a big fall in Bank Nifty. And when it comes to Nifty, uh, though it has been trying to sustain, we can see that it has not been able to break above this trend line for a couple of days for now. And what I also see is the trend in Nifty is slightly on the downside, and it has been trying always. It has been trying to hold the levels with the help of Bank Nifty. Tomorrow, if this Nifty can sustain above 1770, then we should able to see 17890 levels also. So good luck for all of you. God bless you all. Thanks for joining, and